All right, you guys still remember this elevator right here at the Anderson Schaefer building in downtown Bryan, Texas, which is now called Cottonwood Creek. It just recently changed its name, but the elevator is still original. Let's see how this thing is doing. They replaced the bumper with a mechanical safety edge now, and also got a new flooring too. But this thing is still original. Here's your phone. Only thing that's been changed is they got a new door sensor and replaced the flooring, but everything else is still original. Still original old ESCO from 1959. All right, let's see how well the motor is. Would you look at that? They used to have a mirror right here, but they now totally renovated and replaced with a door. I thought someone was going down, but I guess not. Still stops with a bump. Look in the mirror. Hi. Motor is still original, it seems. Switch the fan back on. Still a relay logic elevator. All right, there it goes. And that's it.